Okay, in today's quick vid, I'm going to show you what I do to set up a basic WordPress site. So the first thing I do when I log in is rearrange this dashboard screen. So things like WordPress events and news, I don't really want to see that. So what I can do is go up to the screen options in the top right corner, click that, and then I can untick what I don't want to have displayed. I'm going to rearrange these, so I'm just going to drag these around. This is how I like it to be set up, and then I can close that. This is really handy, the site health status, because it actually shows you what you need to do to your site to make sure that it's secure and that it performs properly. So we might have a look at that in a minute. The next thing I do is I go down to the settings panel and I give my site a title. So in this case, I will just put my business name, and then my tagline would be my mission statement or my tagline for my website. This URL and the site URL, just don't touch this at all because it'll break your site. Update your administration email address if you need to, and then I just leave this as the default. The site language obviously depends on what country you're in. I'm going to put mine in Australia because that's where I am, and then the time zone will be our time zone, which is in Sydney, and the date format, we do this date, and then the time is fine. So once I've done that, I click Save Changes. The next important thing that you should do when you first set up a WordPress site is set your permalinks. So if you look under the settings panel, you'll see permalinks. Click on that. So this is just how your URL is displayed. So this one that they've got as the default one is way too long. We just want a simple URL. It's easy to share and it's user friendly. So we're going to click post name, which will then update this section here. So you can see that whatever you name your page or your post, that's what goes into the URL. So that's perfect. That's what we want. And then we click Save Changes. The next thing I would do is go to the reading section. And then this is only if you don't want your site to be discovered by the search engines until it's finished. So you could tick that, but you just have to make sure that you untick it when you want your site to be indexed by the search engines. And then click Save. The next thing I'll do is create a home page and just set this here. So first of all, we need to go to Pages. And then I'm just going to trash the sample page because we don't need that. And then I'm going to add a new page. And this will be our home page. Just close that box. So home, and then obviously I want to publish it. So just click the publish button. And then we're going to go back into settings and then reading. And then we don't want our latest post to display as our front page. We want our home page. So we click a static page and then you choose your home page. You can do your blog later and then click Save. Lastly, I'll go to the post because we have a dummy one there. I'm just going to trash that. And then we'll just check comments as well. So there's no comments in there. So the next thing you would do if you're building a WordPress site from scratch is install a theme, which we'll do in the next video. So there you have it. We've set up the basic settings of a new WordPress site, and then we can move on to building it. Thanks for watching. Bye.